They'll start from us. Kill them. Kill them. Kill them both!
Shh! Quiet! I said wake them. I said hurry up now.
The nurse! Suspects!
What's it saying, my precious, my love? Smeagol losing his nerve. No, not. Never. Smeagol hates nasty hobbitses. Smeagol wants to see them dead. And we will. Smeagol did it once. He can do it again. It's us. Us. We must get the precious. We must get it back. Patience. Patience, my love. First, we must lead them to her.
We lead them to the winding stair. Yes, the stairs, and then
Up the stairs we go until we come to the tunnel. And when they go in, there's no coming out. She's always hungry. She always needs to feed. She must eat. All she gets is filthy oxes. And that doesn't taste very nice, does it, precious? No. Not very nice at all, my love. She hungers for sweeter meats, hobbit meat. And when she throws away the bones and the empty clothes, then we will find it and take it for me! For us. Yes, we meant for us. Well, the precious will be ours. Once the hobbits are dead.